Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro and let me show you how to activate test mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then pick about phone, and now once you see the kernel version, simply tap on it for 7 times, and that's it. As you can see, now we are in testing mode where you can check several features, actually all of them, so you can check your SIM card, keyboard test, vibrator test, notification light, touch sensor, display, receiver, speaker, mic, headset, radio, proximity sensor, Wi-Fi AP scan, Wi-Fi address, and all the others. As you can see, you can check if any feature has any issues. So for example, let me show you how to perform a vibrator test. So it passed the test, definitely. You can also check the notification light if you want to, but I don't want to do it now. You can also check receiver.
3, 8, 3.
So it's definitely 3 and 8. So it also passed.
6, 1.
Now let's check the speaker, and it also works correctly.
1.
So it passed. So that's basically all. This how you can test your device, how you can access and use test mode in your Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.